Welcome guys to a new video. In this episode I want to share with you guys a strategy, an ICT strategy that works perfectly with crypto. It is basically a combination of the 2022 model, plus I have added some tweaks to it to make it even more profitable. Now, as you can see in the screen, this is from yesterday. I have taken this trade, this buy right here, and I have exited here. You can see that was like 2.5 trade. So this strategy, I have shared it with you guys previously in my videos, and it is excuse me, I have shared it how to trade it on the forex market. So you can watch this video and watch this example site here, and this video on how to trade it on the indices. So it is an easy strategy, and I have backtested and I have passed challenges with it. It doesn't have a lot of moving parts, and I believe it works on all markets. So for now I have tested it on forex, the indices market, and the crypto market. Now I'm gonna share with you how I applied that strategy on this trade on Bitcoin, and how what was the reason that made me enter here and exit on here. So let's go to FX replay, and I'm gonna walk through the process of applying this strategy. So the first condition on strategy is liquidity run. So you want to see price reading on a liquidity pool. So that is the first condition. All right. The second condition is you want for price to reject from a higher time frame PD array. Now, a higher time frame PD array can be either an order block, a fair value gap, a breaker block, a rejection block, whatever. You want to see price after taking that liquidity, you want to see it reject from a higher time frame PD array, and that higher time frame must be just a little bit above that liquidity or below it. The third thing is you want to see a lower time frame market structure shift, meaning you want to see on the lower time frames, you zoom in and you want to see a displacement. All right, an energetic displacement, breaking a recent swing and leaving a fair value gap behind. The fourth element of this strategy is you want to see is the entry. You want to see price retrace from that displacement to a fair value gap or a breaker. So the entry is gonna be either a breaker or a fair value gap. And the last thing, but not the least important, is the stop loss. The stop loss must be below that swing that broke structure. All right. So having this strategy on here on side, let's apply it on this fraction of price action. So you can see that what I have noticed is there is liquidity is building below this market price. So this is trend line. All right, liquidity can be maybe equal highs, equal lows. It can be previous day high, previous day low. It can be previous session high or previous session low, and it can be also a trend line, because trend line retail traders will see it as like a support. All right, so you will see that there's stop losses here and stop losses here. The once price will retrace, they will buy maybe something maybe right here. So there is liquidity below this trend line. So we want to see price reject, price rate on this liquidity. So let's fast forward. And then I see this. That price rated on liquidity. The next thing is you want to identify a higher time frame PD array below that liquidity. As you can see, we have this order block right here. All right. And you can see that price never hit that fair value gap, but this is a simulation platform. But on Binance, you can see that price hit that order block right here. So the next element of this strategy is met. Next thing, you want to see a lower time frame market structure shift. Now I'm going to be honest with you guys. I have seen this setup forms many times, so I didn't wait for the lower time frame market structure shift, because I'm experienced enough to enter without it. But for you, I want you to wait for that lower time frame market structure shift. All right, do not disregard this this condition. All right, so you want to go like to the 15-minute, the 5-minute, and you want to look for a market structure shift with a displacement. And as you can see that there is a displacement right here, all right, leaving a fair value gap. So what you want to do is to enter on this fair value gap right here. Enter on this fair value gap, and stop loss, maybe you can put it here, or put it based on your risk management. So we are in, and as you can see, price hit RTP and more. Actually, that was more. So to be honest with you guys, I entered here because I already know that the lower time frame market shift will happen, because I have seen this setup formed so many times. Thus I didn't wait for this. But for you new to you are guys new to this strategy, I want you to wait for that lower time frame market structure shift, because it will give you confidence. So I guess that would be it. If you have any questions, if you are a forex trader and not a Bitcoin and a cryptocurrency trader, please check this video right here. Or if you have if you are an indices trader, check these videos right here, this one. And if you have any questions, please do not hesitate to ask me down below on the comment section, or follow me on Twitter. I'm gonna leave the link below. So I guess that would be it. Happy trading and good luck.